What if I told you there is a phone coming later this year that could genuinely go 2 full days on a single charge, run the most powerful chip Qualcomm has ever built, push a 6.89-inch display at 185 Hz, and still stay slim enough to actually fit in your pocket? That phone is the Honor Win 2. And it is not even out yet, but the leaks coming out of China right now have the entire tech community buzzing. This is one of those rare moments where the rumored specs actually sound too good to be true, and yet everything keeps pointing in the same direction. So let us break down everything we know so far, because this phone might genuinely change the way we think about what a flagship gaming smartphone can be in 2026. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel, and do me a favor real quick. Hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. It genuinely helps the channel grow, and I promise you are going to want to stick around for everything we cover here. Now let us get into it. So the Honor Win series only launched back in December of last year, and it was already an impressive package. The original Win came with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a 10,000 mAh battery, a built-in cooling fan, IP68 and IP69 water resistance, and a 6.83-inch AMOLED display running at 185 Hz. That phone set a benchmark. It proved you could have a proper gaming powerhouse with a genuinely massive battery without the phone turning into a brick. And now Honor is already working on the sequel, and from what the leaks are saying, they are not just doing a minor refresh. They are going bigger in basically every single department. The biggest headline here is the chipset. According to Tipster Digital Chat Station on Weibo, who has a very solid track record with this kind of thing, the Honor Win 2 is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Now the chip has not been announced yet, but Qualcomm is expected to reveal it in September of this year, and it is reportedly being built on a 2-nanometer process. 2 nanometers. That is the next leap in chip manufacturing, and what it means for you in real-world terms is more performance, better efficiency, and less heat during those long gaming sessions. Pairing that kind of silicon with an active built-in cooling fan like the original Win had means this phone could become an absolute monster for sustained gaming performance. We are talking the kind of setup that makes dedicated handheld gaming devices sweat a little. Now here is where it gets even more interesting. Despite packing that next-generation chip, Honor is reportedly keeping the battery at 10,000 mAh or possibly even going above that. The leaks specifically say 10,000 mAh++, which suggests Honor might be pushing the capacity even higher than the original. This is only possible because of silicon carbon battery technology, which a lot of Chinese brands have been rapidly adopting in 2026. It allows for a much higher energy density without adding the kind of thickness and weight that used to come with a cell this large. The original Win already weighed 229 grams, which was noticeable but not outrageous for what it was offering. The Win 2 is going to need to manage that weight carefully if it wants to feel like a daily driver and not just a gaming device. And real quick before I go further, if you've been finding this breakdown useful, smash that like button right now. It takes 2 seconds, and it tells the algorithm this content is worth pushing out to more people. I read every comment too, so let me know down below whether you think a 10,000 mAh gaming flagship is something you would actually use every day, or if you think it is overkill. On the display side, the Win 2 is stepping up from 6.83 inches to 6.89 inches and keeping that 2K resolution with the 185 Hz refresh rate. The panel is expected to be a flat OLED, which is a choice a lot of gamers actually prefer because it eliminates the edge distortion you sometimes get on curved screens during fast-paced games. Combined with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the display, this thing is shaping up to have every premium detail locked in. The lineup itself might actually be 3 phones deep. The top-tier Win 2 or possibly Win 2 Pro Max gets the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. There is a Win 2 RT variant that is expected to come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is still an incredibly capable chip. And then there might be a third model sitting below those two with a standard Snapdragon 8 Elite and a 1.5K display instead of the full 2K panel. That kind of lineup structure means Honor is trying to give buyers options at different price points while keeping the core battery and performance identity consistent across the family. Now, the timeline is the one thing you need to keep in mind. Since the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 is not expected to be announced until September, the Win 2 series is not launching before that. We are probably looking at a late 2026 reveal at the earliest. But here is the thing, some leakers are saying Honor might move faster than expected on this one. And given how aggressive the Chinese smartphone market is right now, with brands like Redmi pushing toward 10,000 mAh phones and iQOO and OnePlus all racing to that same battery frontier, Honor cannot afford to sleep on this. The Win 2 needs to land before the competition catches up and makes that battery spec feel ordinary. The original Honor Win was already exciting. Proved the concept worked. A 10,000 mAh gaming flagship that people actually wanted to carry around. The Win 2 is taking everything that worked and turning the dial up. A more powerful chip, a bigger display, potentially more battery, and a built-in fan keeping it all cool. If Honor nails the weight and the software experience on top of all that hardware, this could be one of the most talked about phones of late 2026. That is everything we know about the Honor Win 2 so far, and trust me, as more leaks drop, I will be covering every single detail right here on this channel. So if you are not subscribed yet, now is the time. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. This battery war is just getting started and things are about to get very interesting.